guys!
Hey everyone!
I'm about to show you the science erosion by
I'm
water.
going to do the science experiment entitled Erosion by Water.
And I'm going to show you about soil erosion by water. Are the things we need. We are going to separate them into set A, set B. First, set aside the set B. Then pour the garden soil into the container. Next, pour water gradually in the soil. Repeat the procedure to the set B, but this time pour the water rapidly into the soil. Here's the result. The set A and the set B.
Based on your observation, in which setup did the soil move faster and why?
The set B moved faster because of the water force or the pressure applied rapidly.
On my observation, the soil moved faster on the setup number 2. When the water poured rapidly into it, it is because of the movement of water.
Based on my observation, set up because the water flows in rapid motion.
On set B. Why? Because of the pressure of the water.
Based on your observation, in which setup did the soil move farther and why?
On set B because we pour water rapidly on it.
And also, on setup number 2, move soil further and move more soil because of rapidly movement of water.
Based on my observation, set B moved farther because of its pressure.
The faster the water, the farther it gets. On which set? No? On which set? Based on your observation, in which setup did the soil move farther? On set B.
Based on your observation, which setup moved more soil and why?
Set B moved more soil because of the force of the water poured rapidly. Number 2. Set B moved more soil because we poured water rapidly.
On set B. Why? Because we pour water on rapidly. Because we pour water rapidly.
As you observe, what happened to the color of the water?
When I put water, the color turns darker.
The color of the soil becomes darker as it
As
wettens.
I observe, the color of the water gets darker.
The color to the water gets darker.
Based on the data collected in the experiment, what can you conclude about soil erosion?
Soil erosion is a process that occurs when the impact of water detaches and removes soil particles.
Soil erosion is the detachment and removal of soil material by water. The process may be natural or accelerated by human activity. The rate of erosion may be very slow to very rapid depending on the soil, the local landscape, and weather conditions. So plant trees to avoid the soil erosion.
Soil erosion contributes to the pollution of watercourse and wetlands.
Soil erosion by water is to be expected if the protection of stabilizing the vegetation is removed and the soil are exposed.
Okay, shoutout nga pala sa mga silent subscribers. Shoutout sa mag-asawang Chikot kesa Bebot. Yan, isa po ring vlogger yan. At kay Ma'am Michelle De Leon Ramos. Napakalaking tulong po na naibigay nyo sa akin sa aking mga vlog. Dumami po yung aking subscribers. Maraming salamat po sa pag-share sa mga friends nyo, sa mga kakilala, kamag-anak. Maraming salamat po sa pag-subscribe. Ingat-ingat po lagi. Yung pong napanood yung video ay tungkol sa soil erosion by water. Mga estudyante po yun sa aming paaralan. Siya nga pala, maraming salamat sa mga batang cooperate o nagpag-participate sa soil erosion paggamit ng pagbablog nga pala tungkol sa soil erosion. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat at ingat po tayo lagi. God bless us all. Maraming salamat din po sa mga lahat na sumusuporta ng aking video. Sa mga 900 plus, 900 kung hindi ako nagkakamali, 960 plus na. Maraming salamat po. Ang inyong po lingkod ay road to 1K subscriber na po. Sana po magpatuloy yung pagdami ng subscriber at saka sa mga taong nanonood ng aking video. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta. Lahat ng mga taong di ko man nabanggit. Maraming salamat po. Alam ko naman po na taos puso kayong tumutulong sa mga kailangan para tumaas yung o umangat ang kanilang mga views at subscribers. Okay, ingat po tayo lagi. Gaya po ng sinabi ko, God bless us all. Dito po nagtatapos sa ating video. See you my next video. Huwag po sana kayong magsasawa sa mga ginagawa nating video. Hanggang sa muli, Sir Angel. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all.